I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today's new topic HS Economics Part 3. So I have uploaded Part 1 and Part 2 questions in my playlist. You can check from there and start learning from my YouTube channel. And from today I am discussing you all about Part 3. Okay. Today I am going to provide you all some important MCQs which will be very helpful for your HS 2021. Write down the questions. Ready? Okay. GATT agreement. GATT agreement was established. GATT agreement was established 1947. These all are MCQ. Okay, these all are what? MCQ. Number 2. Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment exists mainly in the unemployment exists mainly in the agricultural sector. Agricultural sector. Okay. If the supply curve is vertical, the elasticity of supply will be 0. Number 4 question. The difference between maximum and minimum value. Maximum and minimum value of observation is called, the answer will be range. Okay. Monopoly Inquiry Commission, very very important questions. Monopoly Inquiry very very important question. Monopoly Inquiry Commission was established in the year the answer will be 1964. Number 6. The value of investment multiplier. The value of investment multiplier. These all questions are important, okay, for your exams. You just go through from here. Okay, these all questions are very very important for your HS. Please go through from there, from this. Okay, you will get best questions from here, which can come in your HS 2021. Okay. The value of investment multiplier is, the answer will be 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. Okay. Number. which economist which which economist which economist was not associated with measurement of poverty, measurement of poverty. The answer will be Malthus. Okay. Number 8 question. The average cost curve. The average cost curve. What is the full average cost curve in short? ABC. Okay. You just note down. Average cost curve is also written as ABC in the short form in the economics. Average cost curve in the short run. The answer will be upward rising. Upward rising. Okay. Number 9. This true and false. Okay. All firms in the perfectly competitive market sells a homogeneous product. The answer will be true. Okay. Number 10. These all questions are very very important. Okay. सारा का सारा इम्पोर्टेंट है, सारा का सारा क्वेश्चन ही आपका इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो आपके इकोनॉमिक्स में आएगा ही आएगा. ठीक है. जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन. जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, दिस इज कॉर्पोरेशन. ओके. जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में इसको जीआईसी भी लिखते हैं. जीआईसी was established. Okay. The answer will be 1972. 1972 में जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था इंडिया में. ओके. The primary reason for income inequality. The primary reason for income inequality is, the answer will be unemployment. The answer will be unemployment. ठीक है. Number 12. If the government expenditure increase by rupees 1000 and if marginal propensity to consume is rupees 4 by 5, then national income, the national income increases, the national income increases by, the answer will be rupees, okay, rupees, the answer will be rupees 5,000. Okay, it's a time for 30 number question. If the value of marginal, if the value of marginal propensity to consume is 3 by 4, okay, the value of marginal, the value of marginal propensity, the value of marginal propensity to save will be, the answer will be 1 by 4, okay, 1 by 4. 14 number. In monopoly market, in monopoly market, at the equilibrium position, market price will be, the answer will be equal to MR, okay, equal to MR, this is the answer. 15 number. A firm reaches the shutdown point, where MR, the answer will be, the firm reaches the shutdown point where answer will be MR touches ABC on its minimum point. This is the answer, okay. Number 16. Supply of commodity has relation. This is relation, okay. Supply of commodity has relation to its price. The answer will be direct, okay. 70 number, okay. When average cost decreases, marginal cost the answer will be increases. Number 18. A condition of equilibrium, of a monopolist is, answer will be MR equal to MC, okay. 20 number question. If the percentage in price equal to equal to percentage in supply the value of price elasticity. Okay, price elasticity of demand of supply. Okay, price elasticity of supply is, the answer will be 0. 20. The sum of marginal, no, this one, WTO, World Trade Organization, was established in, the answer will be 1995. Okay. What is measured, the lowest value of standard deviation? The lowest value of standard deviation is, the answer will be 0. Okay, only for this much of today. Okay, let's move on the next session. Okay, आज मैंने जितना इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इकोनॉमिक्स का वो सब कराया. कल और परसों, कल और डे आफ्टर टुमारो, मतलब 2 दिन 3 दिन में खाली एमसीक्यू को कराऊंगा जो आपका एचएस के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसके बाद मैं आपको ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन सब कुछ मैं प्रोवाइड करूंगा इकोनॉमिक्स का. उसके बाद मैं ज्योग्राफी में जाऊंगा. ठीक है, दोस्त स्टूडेंट हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एचएस, जिसका एक इकोनॉमिक्स है, ज्योग्राफी है, वो यहाँ से कर सकता है. इंग्लिश भी कराने वाला हूँ आपको बहुत जल्द. पॉलिटिकल साइंस का भी मिलने वाला है नोट्स, हिस्ट्री का भी मिलने वाला है, मतलब बहुत कुछ नोट्स आपको मिलने वाला है. 10 का हो या 12 को, बहुत कुछ मिलने वाला है. तो मुझे तो अच्छा इंजॉय आ रहा है ये चैनल को मतलब चालू करके, आपको अच्छा नॉलेज देके. और आपको, मुझे नहीं पता कि आप कितना चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं, मुझे नहीं पता, मैं बोलूँगा भी नहीं. आपको वो फर्ज बनता है कि आप चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. दैट्स डिपेंड ऑन यू, नॉट इन मी. मतलब वो मुझे डिपेंड नहीं करता है ना, क्योंकि आप वो चैनल को, मैं कितना भी बोलूँ, आपका अगर अच्छा होता है, अगर इस चैनल से आपको कुछ अच्छा नॉलेज मिल रहा है, तो आप उस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करो कि उन लोगों को भी ये सब नोट्स मिल जाए. ठीक है, खुद से पढ़ने से तो नहीं होगा, दोस्तों को भी देना पड़ेगा. ओके, देन दिस वाज फॉर टुडे. लेट्स मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. कल मिलते हैं नए क्लास, नए क्वेश्चंस के साथ. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.